In this video, I will show you whether Google Veo is free or if it comes with a paid version. Google Veo, the new AI video generation tool by Google DeepMind, is currently not publicly available to everyone. As of now, it is being tested by a select group of creators through an early access program. That means you can't just sign up and start using it like a free app. Google hasn't officially announced any pricing yet, so we don't know if it will be free or paid once it's fully released. However, considering the advanced features Veo offers like generating high-quality 1080p videos from text prompts, there's a good chance that a paid version or subscription model might be introduced later. For now, if you want access, you can request to join the waitlist on Google's Veo website, but approval isn't guaranteed. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.